Hey there guys, welcome to a new trading week. What we do is try to find trade opportunities and not try to force trades out of the market. So earlier today I was looking into GBPUSD, but unfortunately I didn't have enough time to actually find trade opportunities. So let's quickly go to the chart and I'll show you what I have so far, and if there's any way we can still find any opportunities to trade today, fine. If not, we'll leave it till tomorrow. There are always opportunities the market brings to us. So without wasting any further time, let's go to the chart and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so I'm currently on the 4-hour time frame, and you can see so far this is what I was able to do. Let's quickly jump to the daily time frame. As you can see, GBPUSD is still very much bullish. Okay, and from the look of things, it's really going to take a very long time before we'll be seeing a complete trend change happen on GBPUSD. So you can see it's really going to take a very long time. Like if we're looking at these candles, this was on the 8th of August, and this is 2nd of September, and yeah, sorry, this candle before the retracement is 27th of August, so it's kind of like 19 days, I guess. So for us to see something like a trend change happen, a complete trend change, it's really going to take a long time, and it will require that the US dollar will be declining so much in value for that to happen. So and if we look at this range, this current daily range, we see that there is a demand zone here, and we have another one here, which is where we are currently at. But let me just let's just talk about this one now. With this demand zone, if price doesn't retrace from this point it is right now, we'll be looking at price coming down to this level. We're looking at price coming down to this level, and if you watch closely, you see that it is in between the 62% and 79% of the fib. Okay, so it's likely going to get down here and continue on the uptrend, but this is just a speculation anyway. Let's just see if price will if this demand zone here on the 4-hour time frame will hold. There is this candle here that is looking like a dodgy, yeah, it's a dodgy candle. So if you go to 4-hour time frame now, so right here we see the current swing range we are playing on. As you can see, we've gotten like 2 breakout structures since we had this market structure shift right here. So what I'm anticipating is that probably price would come to this supply zone right here and come down. And if I should go down to, okay, before that you would see also there's a liquidity resting below here. There's a liquidity resting below here, so most likely once price hits here, breaks structure, clears this liquidity, and pushes further down. And this is the swing, the weak swing point, which price is going to likely to break and keep retracing. And like I said, on the daily time frame, you see it might likely then get to that point, that demand zone, before then continuing on the normal, on the current trend, on the uptrend. So going down to my 15 minutes time frame, you can see price hasn't gotten to this supply zone, and we're currently in this range. So these are current 15 minutes range. All right, so you can see on this, currently we are experiencing an uptrend. Okay, so what we'll be looking out for is price coming here. Okay, price coming here, most likely sweep this liquidity, the liquidity resting above here, sweep liquidity, then push down. Okay, most likely, well, we might be looking at this happen tomorrow. Yeah, we might be looking at this happen tomorrow, because I don't know, price has really been slow today. Since when I did this, marked out all of these zones till now, price hasn't really had serious move. So I don't think price might actually get to this zone today. That is if it doesn't retrace from here, because I'm also looking at this zone and this 15 minute zone right here. Right, I'm looking at this zone here and it's currently in it. So price might just have a change of market structure shift right here and just go down, but if it doesn't, what we're looking at is price just getting to this, probably the 62% of the fib. It just gets here. Oh, it's even close. Probably price just gets to this level, and we're looking at something like this, sweep liquidity, then boom, to the downside. So this is what I'm anticipating. This is what I'm looking out for, probably during the Asian session, of which I don't think it would even be able to do this during the Asian session. But if price doesn't change structure right here, then we are likely to have this happen tomorrow. Get to this supply zone, then push down, break this, get a break of structure here, and we continue on the downtrend. Okay, so that's just basically today. Hopefully by tomorrow, this happens and we'll look for a short trade. Currently, right now, I'm bearish. Okay, till I see something that makes me think otherwise. All right, because on our 4 hour time frame, you can see what has happened. We already have a market structure shift and like 2 breakout structures. So that is enough evidence to show that there is a retracement happening currently. So that's just it for today. I hope you got value from this. Do subscribe, like, and share these videos to others out there. And till I come your way next time, trade safely if you're a trader. And yeah, peace.